Ma'am,
Good afternoon, students. Okay. Yesterday we have seen the problems on coplanarity, condition of the coplanarity. Okay. So I have told what are the 10 marks questions and what are the 5 marks questions. So fourth unit you will have the 15 marks. That is a 5 marks question you will get. Another one you will get the 10 marks question. Okay. So similarly, 50 unit also 10 marks question you will get and 5 marks question you will get. And the 10 marks question is finding the shortest line segment. That is the distance between the two line equations will be given. For that, you have to find the length of the shortest distance. So that formula you have in your textbook, and even at the time of the introduction, I have told that. So unit 5 is about skew lines and shortest line segment between two skew lines. Okay, skew lines is nothing but two non-coplanar lines which do not intersect. Okay, which do not intersect and which are two non-coplanar. That lines are called as a skew lines. For that, we are finding the shortest line segment. Okay, so whatever the procedure or method you have in 128 and 129 page number, this is the whole method how to find the shortest line segment. So in this, you have 5.2.1. So with the help of the two line equations, the procedure is given how to find. Okay. So first two line equations will be there. For that, you will take LMN or the direction cosines of the two line equations. With them, we'll find the two perpendicular both direction cosines and whatever the points are there. With that, we'll find the perpendicularity of them. That is a perpendicular to both AB and CD. That is L into L1 plus M into M1. So you'll get the two equations. If you solve those two equations with the help of the cross multiplication method, you will get LMN values. Okay. LMN values, and LMN values is equals to summation of L square. That is L square plus M square plus M square by under root of L square plus M square whole square. So those values we have to find. Okay. So whatever values we are getting here, LMN, these are useful for finding the length of the shortest line segment. So formula is L into x2 minus x1, M into y2 minus y1 plus N into z2 minus z1. Okay. So up to here, this is the 5 marks part. And if he is asking the equations of the plane, so you have the formula is there, that is x minus x1. 2 and 3rd equations are there, no? So those are the 2 and 3rd equations are useful for finding the equations of the two lines. Okay. So one example is given in 130 page number. So that I have already told that this problem will be done in 3 methods. Okay. 3 methods are given in the textbook. You can use any one method for solving the problem. Okay. So you can use second method or third method or first method. It depends on the question. And also the problems, if they are asking directly only they are in the symmetrical form, you can use the first method. Okay. So if they are in unsymmetrical form or one is symmetrical, another method like that, you can convert them into these two methods. Okay. But if you write in any method, they'll give the same marks and you will get the same answers. The shortest line segment will be same, and also equations also will get the same one. And in this unit, another one important which you will get for 5 marks is the intersection of the 3 planes. So these two are the 15 marks question. So one is 10 and another one is a 5 marks question. Okay. So today we'll see one problem. So which the problem is in the MEQ questions. Last page number 150 you have. So that question we are taking. That is a page number 150, 4th question. That is find the length and the equations of the shortest line segment between the lines. Two lines equations are given and is asking find the points where it meets these lines. So where these two lines meet, that points also we have to find. Those points are nothing but whatever the x1, y1, z1 values and the x2, y2, z values are present in the line equation. Those points are only called as a points which meets by the lines. Okay. So this is the question we have, page number 150. For unit 5. This is the fourth question. Okay. So whole question you write, just I am writing the equations. The given lines are, so first line is x minus 3 by 1 is equals to y minus 5 by minus 2 is equals to z minus 7 by 1, and you put it as equation 1, and second one is x plus 1 by 7 is equals to y plus 1 by minus 6 is equals to z plus 1 by 1, and this is the second equation. Okay, so these two are the given equations. After that, we have to take, let Lmn be the direction cosines of the, let, you see the procedure in the textbook also, you can understand this. Let L comma M comma N be direction cosines of line of shortest line segment between 1 and 2, that is between line 1 and 2. Okay, since I am writing this in the short form, shortest line segment is perpendicular to 1 and 2. We have, so these are the direction cosines, no? These are the direction cosines of line 1 and these are the direction cosines of line 2. So these are perpendicular to 1 and 2. So with the help of Lmn, we have to multiply this. So it is in place of this, you write, that is L minus 2m plus n is equals to 0. L minus 2m plus n is equals to 0. Next, second one, 7L minus 6m plus n is equals to 0. Okay, these two are the perpendicular equations we are getting from the shortest line segment. Okay, solving these by cross multiplication method. Okay, by cross multiplication method. So I hope you know that is the first we have to write the quotient of m, that is minus 2, after that n, after that L, and again we have to repeat the m1. Okay, here also minus 6, this is 1, this is 7 and minus 6, again you have to repeat. Okay, so if you do the cross multiplication of this, you will get here L, m and n values. Okay, so L by it is minus 2 plus 6, it is equals to m by 7 minus 1, and n by, this is minus 6 plus 14. Okay, so this you will get it as, so L by, this is 4, m by 6 equals to n by 8. So this you have the factor of 2. So you will take out that, you will get it as by 2 is equals to m by 3 is equals to n by 4. Okay, so by 2 if you take out, you will get the common term as 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have the formula L by of this is equals to summation of, actually it is L square plus m square plus n square by under root of these whole squares, that is 2 whole square plus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. You can see the method in the textbook. Okay, you follow that one, and already from the unit 1, you know L square plus m square plus n square where the value is 1. Okay, so 1 by, this is 2 square is 4 plus 4, 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So you will get it as 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 9 is 29. So it is equals to 1 by root 29. Okay, you are not able to see this. So this is equals to 1 by root 29. Okay, this value I have written here. Now if you do the cross multiplication, you will get, therefore L is equals to this 2 by root 29 and m is equals to 3 by root 29 and n is equals to 4 by root 29. Okay, this is the half part we have completed. Now from these Lmn values, And you remember that here whatever x, actually what is the line equation? X minus x1 by L is equals to y minus y1 by m. So here L1 m1 this is z minus z1 by n1. X minus x2 by L2 is equals to y minus y2 by m2 is equals to z minus z2 by n2. So whatever these points are there, that is 3, 5, 7, that is 1 point, that is x1, y1, z1, and -1, -1, -1. These are x2, y2, z2. So shortest line segment formula is L into, either you can write x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1, anything you can write, okay? So if you take out this, you will get the value of the shortest line segment.
And that cross multiplication thing is there, no, ma'am? That
Yes.
6 1 1. How to write that once again? Tell, ma'am. I just missed it.
Okay, actually this concept even you have in second unit also. So whatever the direction cosines and direction ratios we are studying in unit 1 and unit 2, those all concepts you will get from the cross multiplication method only. Okay, so when you take out this equation, first you have to write the quotient of m. Either it is, if it is a plus b or plus c or x, y, z, anything if you have, first whatever the value in between you will have, that is the m value, both will be a plus b plus c or x plus y plus z, anything. Okay, second value will be there, no, that quotient you have to write here. After that, this last value, that quotient. After that, this first value. Okay, and this whatever first value you are writing, you have to repeat here. Okay, so here also second -6, and here it is 1, here it is 7, and again -6 you have to repeat. So this is the cross multiplication method. It is applicable for finding any equation. So if you find x, y, z, or a, b, c, or l, m, n, anything. So usually we'll find 3 varieties, that is x, y, z, or a, b, c, or l, m, n in whole the 3D. But the cross multiplication method is in between whatever the value will be there, that value first and last it should be there. So after this term, after this term, and again you have to repeat that, and you have to do the cross multiplication. Okay, understood? చెప్పండమ్మా ఏంటి
Understood, ma'am.
అర్థమైంది కదా? Okay, now for finding the shortest line segment, we'll write the values, these values in the formula. So here you write the direction ratios are, even we call this 2, 3, 4 as, that is the direction ratios are 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now the length of shortest line segment, the length of shortest line segment is the projection of join of points. That is just now I have told, now the points are 3, 5, 7 and -1, -1, -1 on shortest line segment. Okay, hence shortest line segment is, that is, it is equals to L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. So here the element values are these. First one is 2 by root 29, and here the values, this is the x1, y1, z1, this is x2, y2, and this is z2. Okay, -1, -4, you can take, here you will get actually negative value, so you can take x1 minus x2, anything if you take, it will be the same one. So 3 plus 3 minus of minus means plus 1 you will get. After that, plus the second value what we have, 3 by root 29 y minus y1, that is 5 plus 1. Next 4 by root 29, 7 plus 1. Okay, so it is equals to here 2 by root 29 This is into 4 into 3 by root 29. This is 6 plus RS. Directly you do the multiplication. One more step you will go. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 2 is 8. Here 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 3 is 18. 8 plus 4 is 32. 32 by root 29. If we take root 29 as a LCM, so it will be 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 32 is 58 you will get, okay? So 58 by root 29. So this in the denominator you have the root term is there. If you want, you can keep like that only. Or else you can simplify this one. So that is 58 is, you can write 2 into 29 now. So this is equals to 2 into 29 by root 29. So even it is equals to, we can write 2 into 29 as 29 root into 29 by root 29. So these two will get cancelled. So the shortest line segment is 2 root 29. Okay. So this is the shortest line segment. Now we need to find the equations and also the points. So for the equations, how we have done for the coplanarity, almost similar will be there, but instead of L2, M2, N2, we'll write the direction ratios here. 2, 3, 4 are there, no? That will write, okay? So equation of plane containing line 1 and shortest line segment is, that is what we have first one, x plus 3, y plus 5, z minus is there, no? X minus 3, y minus 5, z minus 7, and L1, M1 are 1 minus 2, and again 1, and LMN values here, whatever we got, it is 2, 3, 4. So it is equals to 0. So this is the equation of a plane containing line 1 and shortest line segment values are this one. So if you do find the determinant of this one, that is x minus 3. This is minus 8, minus 3, minus of 5 minus 4 minus 2 plus z minus 7, and this is 3 plus 4 equals to 0. So you will get here x minus 3 minus 11, and this is 2, and this is z minus 7 into 7. So that is minus 11x minus into minus plus 33 minus 2y plus 5 2s are 10 plus 7z minus 7 7s are 49. So minus 11x minus 2y plus 7z. 33 plus 10 means it is 43. 43 minus 49 means you will get minus 6. Okay, if you take out here minus common, you will get it as 11x plus 2y minus 7z plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, this is the one line equation. That is the equation of the plane containing line 1 and also shortest line segment. The values whatever 2, 3, 4 are there. So two equations you will ask. Similarly, you will have equation of the plane containing line 2 and shortest line segment. Okay. So this is the 10 marks. Up to here you will get the 5 marks. If you do the two equations of the plane, that will be the 5 marks part. Okay. So up to here we have found the only first equation. Now if you go to the second one, after continuation of this, you write equation of the plane containing, that is second one, and a shortest line segment is. So what is that? This is the x plus 1, y plus 1, and this is z plus 1, and direction cosines are 7 minus 6 and 1, and same 2 3 4. The equation will change. So that is x plus 1 into, so 6 minus 24, this is minus 3. After that, minus of y plus 1. So this is 7 4s are 28, minus 2 plus z plus 1. And this is 7 3s are 21 plus 6 2s are 12 equals to 0. So x plus 1 into minus 27 minus y plus 1 into, this is 26 plus z plus 1 into, this is 21 plus 12. 21 plus 12 means 33 equals to 0. Okay. Now this is minus 27x minus 27 minus 26y minus 26 plus 33z plus 33 equals to 0. So write x term, y term. So minus 26y plus 33z, and this what we have, minus 26. Both are 3 1 4 24 5 53 53 33 means we will get 20. Okay, so that is minus 20 you will get. Minus 20 is equals to 0. Now similarly you take minus common, so you will get 27x plus 26y minus 33z plus 20 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is the second equation of the plane containing the line 2 and also shortest line segment. Actually, even you can take here, instead of 2 3 4, even you can write 2 by root 29, 3 by root 29, 4 by root 29. If you write them also, if you take on them to right hand side, it is equals to 0, no? So that values will vanish. So if you take only 2 3 4, it's enough for us. Why? Because containing line and shortest line segment. So you can take 2 3 4 values also, that is LMN values. Actually it is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, L1, M1, N1, LMN values. Okay, LMN values means there we got LMN values as 2 by root 29, 3 by root 29, 4 by root 29. If you do the cross multiplication, the denominator will vanish. Only whatever the numerator is there, that values we are finding the equation. Okay, and in this only he has asked the points also. So I have told that whatever the x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2, 3, these values are there. Those values are only the points where the line meets. Okay, the points are the points where these line meets are, that is 3, 5, 7 and minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, so this is the procedure how to find the shortest line segment and equation of the plane. Okay, so many example problems are there in your textbook, and also exercise you have, check your progress also you have, and MEQ questions. So MEQ questions, 150 page number you have. So same procedure, whatever we have done for this problem, same thing you have to do. So 1, 2, that is the second question, third question, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, even 8th, 9th, up to 9th, the same procedure we have to follow. Only 10th, 11th, 12th, whatever these 3 questions are there, these 3 questions, they are in the unsymmetrical form are there. Line equations are in unsymmetrical form. So for this, you can follow that, convert these two into the symmetrical form with the help of the fourth unit. We have seen how to convert that. Then you write those two plane equations, combination of the two plane equations, you will get one line equation. So with the help of that, again same procedure, this one. So somewhat lengthy it will be there, but it is the very easy method. So 10th and 11th, 12th, 3 questions you can do with the help of conversion of the unsymmetrical line equations into symmetrical line equation, and same procedure you can follow. Okay, so up to 12th questions, you try to practice all the problems with the help of this method. And in this, another topic is about finding the nature of intersection of three planes. You will see the, try to solve the problems, even example problems also. 131, 132 page number you have, 134 also. So whatever the problems are there, they are the same, similar method is there. Now if we go to the another topic, which is the 5th question you will get in the section A. And it is the examine the nature of the intersection of the planes. So for this one, 3 conditions will be there. So 3 line equations will be given in the problem. So 3 line equations, you have to write them in the form of a delta. If you have idea about the Cramer's method, you have in the matrices, similar method you have to follow here. So you have to write the delta value as the quotients of x, y, z of the 3 planes. Then you will write delta is equals to determinant of those values. If you will get the delta value as 0 and other 3 delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 values also 0 means the 3 planes intersect in a line. If you see, you can the whatever the points are there that are given in 140 page number 140. So first one is if delta value is 0 and delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 are you are getting a value as 0, then they intersect in a line. And if delta value is 0 and delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 values are not equals to 0, then the planes will form a prism. Okay, so you write these 3 points. Any example or exercise problem if you get this, you can solve with the help of this. First one is delta equals to 0 and delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. If these 3 values are 0, then they intersect in a 3 planes, intersect in a line. In a line, okay. Second one, for the prism, delta is equals to 0, delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. If these 3 values are not equals to 0, 3 planes form a prism. And third one is if delta value is only not equals to 0, then the set of planes intersect at a unique point. They may intersect in a unique point. 3 planes may intersect at a unique point. Okay, these 3 points are important. So first one is delta and delta, all delta other values also should be equal to 0. Then the 3 planes intersect in a line. Second one is if this is equals to 0 and these 3 values are not equals to 0, it form a prism. If delta itself only not equals to 0, they intersect at a unique point. At one point they meet. Okay. So on this you have many example problems are there. So 140 page number 5.4.1. Okay. So whatever these 3 points are there, depending on these 3 points, 3 problems are given. If you see, first one is it forms a prism. Second one is intersect in a point, and third one it intersect in a line. Okay, you can see the example of this one. So this example problem is almost it is repeated every time. And if you see another problem, so if you will see the MEQ question. So it is in the page number 152. So 152 page number, whatever MEQ questions are there. Uh, 20 and 21, two problems. 152 page number.
For 5 marks, madam.
This is the 5 marks question. And compulsory you will get this question. That is a fourth or fifth question.
Okay, ma'am.
So 4 questions of the short answers you will get from the 2 blocks only. So in section A, you need to write only 5 questions, no? So 1 question you can take from the sphere is there, no? Third block, that equation of the sphere will be there. You have to find the center and radius. That is 1 question for the 5 marks. So 5 marks you can cover from the this whatever the topics I have told. Only for 10 marks question you need from the third block and fourth block. So if you have seen the introduction classes, from that you try to solve the problems of the sphere, coaxial system, limiting points are there, and last unit is about the cylinder we have, cone we have. So cylinder and cone also concept I have told detailed. So with the help of that, you try to solve the problems. So 20 question it is examine the nature of intersection of the plates. So page 152 and
Getting objective also, ma'am.
what much?
Question paper pattern, ma'am.
I have already told in the introduction. First class you see.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I'll watch it.
Okay.
I didn't attend that first class, so that's why I was asking.
First and second class, 4 blocks I have covered. Which questions you will get for the 10 marks and 5 marks. And topics you have to read. Just you read those only, practice those problems only. It's enough for your examination. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now the given planes are. So the given planes are 2x minus y plus z minus 4 equals to 0, 5x plus 7y plus 2z equals to 0. And third one is 3x plus 4y minus 2z plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, these are the 3 given equations. In this, constant term is not there. So you can take that constant term as 0. Now, so delta value is, you have to write the quotients of x, y, z here. So it is 2, y is minus 1, z is 1. Next 5, 7, 2. 5, 7, 2. Next here 3, 4, minus 2. Okay. So same determinant we have to find. It is equals to 2 into, this is minus 14. This is minus 6. So here already minus is there. This term is the minus. So minus of minus means it is plus 1 into minus 10 minus 6. After that plus 1 into 5 4s are 20 minus 21. It is equals to 2 into minus 20 plus 1 into, this is minus 16. So you can write here minus 16. And this is minus 1. 20 minus 21 means minus 1. This is minus. And this is minus 40 minus 70. So you will get this as, it is equals to minus 57, which is not equals to 0. Okay. This is 8. No. Right. So minus 14 minus 8. So minus 22. Okay. So but the thing is that, but you will get the delta value as not equals to 0. Okay. So first we, so first thing is for delta not equals to 0, for both we have, there is a condition we have for delta not equals to 0. It meets at a unique point is there, no? That value you will get if delta value is not equals to 0. So you can check even the delta 1 and delta 2 and delta 3 values, or else delta value itself is not equals to 0, no? Then you can write the 3 given planes intersect at a unique point. Okay.
Sir, ma'am, delta 1, delta 2, we have to do the same, ma'am. Do we need to change something?
We need to change that one. Delta 1 means we have to take the constant values here. Constant is there in last. Here
Yes.
minus. Here you are not having the value, so you take
0.
it as it is 3. Okay.
Yes.
So delta 2 value, delta 1 value will be. So you should not write the x, y, z values. So this whatever the x values are there in the 3 equations, you have to eliminate that one. That means this column you have to eliminate. You have to write y and z quotient, and last you have to write the constant values. That is -1 by values, no? That is -1, 7, 4. This is the z values, and last we have to write the constant. That is 4, 0, 3. Okay. So if you find the determinant of this, -1 into 3 to the 6, this is 0. So -1 into 7 3 is 21, that is 0. Plus 4 into -14 -8. So it is -6 -21 -22. 22 fours are means -88. So this also you will get as not equals to 0. Okay. So whatever the value you are getting, this is also not equals to 0. Okay. So next delta 2 is equals to plus 88. You are getting -14 -80. Okay, here -4, no. Here the last term is -4, so this is -4. So you will get here plus 88. So this value is -61 you will get. And this is also not equals to 0. Okay, next one is delta 2 means you have to write the first column and second column you have to eliminate. Instead of second column, you have to write this third one. That is 1, 2, -2, and last you write same 4, 0, 3. Okay. So
Ma'am,
now
that is 61, no, ma'am. Why -61?
this highest you have plus term, no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
not equals to 0. Next delta 2 is equals to 2 into 3 to the 6. This is 0 -1. 5 3 is 15. This is -4 of 5 to the -10 -6. So 6 to the 12 -15. That is -16. 16 fours are. So minus of minus is plus 64. So this value is again you will get the 61. So -3, no? -3 means 61 not equals to 0. So actually if delta you will get not equals to 0, no need of finding delta 1 and delta 2 and delta 3. Okay. So for your understanding, I'm telling these delta 1 and delta 2 and delta 3 values. If delta value itself is not equals to 0, the plane intersects in a line. Okay. So next to delta 3 is 2, 5, 3, -1, 7, 4, and this is -4, 0, 3. Okay. So this is 2 into 7 3 is 21, minus of minus plus 1, 5 3 is 15. Next -4 into 5 4 is 20, -21. So this delta 3 value also will get 61 not equals to 0. Okay. So all the values you are getting as not equals to 0. You can write it as so therefore delta not equals to 0. The set of planes delta not equals to 0, the set of planes intersect at a unique point. Okay. So this you will get for the 5 marks question. And next to 21 problem, same procedure you have to follow. The given equations are same, page number 150 to 21. Okay. 3x minus y plus z minus 5 equals to 0. Next one is 2x plus 4y plus z plus 10 equals to 0. 6x minus 2y plus 2z plus 9 equals to 0. Okay. These are the three plane equations. Now we have to find the delta, delta 1 and delta 2 and delta 3 values. So delta means, so check here whether you are getting the first delta value as 0. So first delta is 3 minus 1, 1. 1 next 2, 4, 1. Next 6 minus 2, 2. Okay. 3 into 4 to the 8 plus 2. This is plus 1 into 2 to the 4 minus 6 plus 1 into minus 4 minus 6 4 the 24. So this value is, so you do the simplification. This is 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 into 3 means 30. Minus 2 minus 28 you will get. So it is equals to 0. So delta value you are getting as 0. So if delta value is equals to 0 and delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 values, if means two conditions are there. If delta is equals to 3 values also 0 means they intersect in a line. If delta equals to 0 and delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 values, if they are not equals to 0, then they form a prism. Okay. So that's why you check even the delta 1 and delta 2, delta 3 values. So now delta 1 is equals to, so first will be not there, no, minus 1, 4, minus 2, 1, 1, 2. Next constant values are minus 5, here 10, here 9. So this is minus 1 into 9 minus 20. Minus 1 into 4 9s are 36 plus 20. Minus 5 into 4 to the 8 minus of minus plus. Okay. So if you do the calculation, this you will get 20 minus 9 means you will get 11. So this way I am writing the value here, you will get it as minus 95. It is not equals to 0. Second one is delta 2. Delta 2 is 3, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, minus 5, 10, 9. So this is also 3 into 9 minus 20, minus 1, 9 to the 18, minus 6, 10 to the 60, minus 5 into 2 to the 4, minus 6. And this delta 2 value is minus 17 you will get. Equals to 0. So delta 3 is 3, 2, 6, minus 1, 4, minus 2, minus 5, 10, 9. So this you will get the value as 3 into 36 plus 20 plus 1 into 20 minus 60 minus 5 into minus 4 minus 24. This value is minus 12 and this is also not equals to 0. So if delta is equals to 0 and these three values are not equals to 0 means the three planes will form a prism. delta equals to 0 and delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3 not equals to 0. The set of given planes, here you can write since delta equals to 0 and delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 are not equals to 0, the set of given planes, the set of given planes form a prism. If you get this delta value as 0 and these three values as 0, then they intersect in a line. Okay, you can see that example in the example problem you have. So these two are the important topics in the 5th unit. So 6th unit, you are not having any topics in the for 10 marks question or 5 marks question, even object to type also they will not get from the 6th unit. Next we will go to the 6th unit. 6th unit, sorry, block 3rd. In block 3rd you have the concept of the sphere is there. In that you should know what is the standard equation of the sphere, and the 5 marks question you will get in this is what is the center and radius of the given sphere. Sometimes 4 points will be given, so that 4 points you have to substitute in the equation of the sphere, and you have to find u, v, w and d values, then you will get the equation of the sphere. So just a 5 marks problem one you will see here. So unit 7, we have the sphere we have. So here equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus d equals to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the sphere, and center is minus u minus v minus w, and the radius is under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Okay, so you should know what is the equation of the sphere, center and radius. So if he is asking for the 10 marks question, 4 points will be given like this. 4 different points will be given. So with the help of those points, we have to find the equation of the sphere in this form. So each and every point, first point you have to substitute in this equation. That is in place of x, y, z. If you substitute, you will get the values in the equation in the u, v, w and d. Okay, like that you will get 4 equations. 4 points are passing through this, no? So you will get the 4 equations. From the 4 equations, if you solve any of them from these 4 equations, you will get u value, v and w and also d values you will get. If you substitute u, v, w in the standard equation of the sphere, then you will get the equation of the sphere. So that examples you have in your textbook. You can see one example problem. So almost if they are asking the find the equation of the sphere passing through these points, then that will be even in that only they will mention what is the center and radius. Okay. So if he is asking for the 10 marks question, just they will ask to find the center and radius of the given sphere. Already sphere will be given in the question. You have to find the center and radius of that one. Okay. We'll see one problem on that. So if you see the 185 page number, check your progress. You have this one, page number 185. So first question, okay. Find the radius and the center of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z equals to 2 is there. Okay. So first you convert it into the equation of the sphere. Equation of the sphere means you can take the 2 inside. Okay, now you write this as x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Compare the given sphere with. So we have no general equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux dy 2wz plus b equals to 0. Or you can write on comparing the given sphere with this, we get, so x square, y square, z square values are same. So here 2ux is equals to minus 2x. So 2 will get cancelled. Here x will get cancelled. So what is the u value here? U value is minus 1. Okay. So next if we take u, that is 2vy. So y value is 4y. So this is 2 times and y will get cancelled. V is equals to 2. Okay. Directly also we can write, for your understanding I am telling like this. Okay. Next to 2wy, 2wz. So what is the z value here? Z value is minus 6z. So 2 3 times and z will get cancelled, means w is equals to minus 3. Okay. So we got u, v, w. And what is d value? And d value is plus d, no? We have minus 2. So therefore, u is equals to minus 1, v is equals to 2, w is equals to minus 3, d is equals to minus 2. So what is the center? He is asking center and radius. Center is equals to minus u minus v minus w. So it is equals to u value already minus is there. Minus of minus means it will be plus, and this is minus 2, and here also minus is there, means 1 minus 2, 3 is the center of the given sphere. Now to find the radius. So radius formula is, radius is equals to root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Try to write the formulas like this. Okay, 5 marks question. No, if you mention everything, you will get the full marks. So u square value means minus 1 whole square plus v square is 2 square plus minus 3 whole square, and d value is minus 2. So already minus is there. Minus of minus means it will become plus. It is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2. So it is 9, 10, 16 you have. So it is 4. So 4 is the radius of the given sphere. Okay. This is the procedure how to find the center and radius of the sphere. Even in the model examination questions also, you have the 2 problems are there. Or else any equation of the sphere will be asked and they will ask the center and radius. So this is the important one, and whatever important topics I have told for the 10 marks question in block 3 and block 4. So try to solve those problems. Okay. Okay, students, bye. So write well your examinations. Be perfect with the 2 blocks, block 1 and block 2, whatever topics I have covered. And see the introduction to classes. In that I have told all the whole 4 blocks important questions. So try to practice only those important questions. And even I have told the objective type of questions also. So first block important for the objective type. Almost you will get the 50 to 60% of the questions from the block 1 only. So try to be perfect with each and every formulas of the first block.